Children, let us continue the pair of linear equations in two variable. Here it is a continuation of exercise second. The second question is, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of equations intersect at a point, or parallel, or coincident. That you have to verify here. Take the first set of equation. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals 0. So you take the solution here. First one, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. Now here take the first equation, 5x minus 4y, otherwise you directly write here this a1, b1, c1 it is. So you write a1 is equals to 5, b1 is equals to minus 4, c1 is equals to 8. This is a2, b2, c2. So you write a2 is equals to 7, b2 is equals to 6, c2 is equals to minus 9 it is. Now find a1 by a2. Here a1 by a2 is equals to 5 by 7 and b1 by b2 is equals to minus 4 by 6 it is. That is equals to 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 2 by 3 you can get here. And you know that here 5 by 7 is not equals to minus 2 by 3. So you got what you got, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. You got it already. Therefore what you can say, the lines representing the given pair of linear equation intersect at a point. They are consistent pair. Here we have to mention whether they are intersecting or whether they are parallel or whether they are coincident. Here as a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, what you can conclude, the linear equations, the lines representing the given pair of linear equations intersect at a point. Therefore the lines representing the given pair of linear equations intersect at a point. That is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, so they intersect at a point. Second equation you take. Second one is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 0. Here this is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So write a1 is equals to 9, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to 12 you take. Next a2 is equals to 18, b2 is equals to 6, c2 is equals to 24 here. Then you find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equals to 9 by 18. That is equals to 9 1s are 9 2s are. So you got 1 by 2. Next you find b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equals to 3 by 6. That is also is equals to 3 1s are 3 2s are. that is 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is 12 by 24, that is also 12 ones are 12 twos are, you got 1 by 2. Here you got that 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore what you can write? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. All are equals to what? 1 by 2. Therefore what you can take here? If A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to Cn by C2 is equals to, then what you can conclude? The lines representing the given pair of linear equations are coincident. They are coincident, having infinite number of solutions here. So you take, therefore, the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are the given pair of linear equations are coincident. Next you take the third one. What is that third one? 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals 0. Second equation is 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. So A1, B1, C1, A2, that is B2, C2. So we write, what is A1? A1 is equals to 6, B1 is equals to minus 3, C1 is equals to 10. Then A2 is equals to 2, B2 is equals to minus 1. Minus y is there, means the coefficient is here minus 1. Then C2 is equals to 9. Find A1 by A2. A1 by A2, that is 6 by 2 is equals to 3 you got. Next B1 by B2. B1 by B2. So you got minus 3 by minus 1, that is also 3 here. Next C1 by C2. C1 by C2, that is 10 by 9. So what you can observe here? A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are same here. 3 you got, but C1 by C2 is not equal. So you can take here, therefore A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but they are not equals to C1 by C2. In this situation, you know that the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are parallel. They are not having solution. Therefore, the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are the given pair of linear equations are parallel here. As A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 and not equals to C1 by C2, the lines are parallel. In this way, you got the solution. Now, let us come to the third main. What is that question? On comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. You know that if they are having solution, they are consistent. If they are not having solution, they are inconsistent. And only one in the case if they are parallel, means A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. In that case, they are parallel and inconsistent. and in the other two cases they are having one solution or many solutions, so they are consistent. So you take the equations one by one here. Take the first pair of equations. The first one is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 7 here. Now you take the first pair, that becomes 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0, and the second one becomes 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals 0. Now you write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So here a1 is, you know that 3, and b1 is, that is 2, c1 is minus 5, and here a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 7, that is a2, b2, c2 it is. Now find the ratio a1 by a2. a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. So write 3 by 2. Next b1 by 2, b1 by b2, b1 is 2, b2 is also here minus 3 here, that is 2 by minus 3. Next c1 by c2, c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 7, that is equals to 5 by 7. Here you can write this is minus 2 by 3. Here you can't take the negative in the denominator, so you write minus 2 by 3 it is. So here what you can have here, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, and also further is not needed here. What you got here, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Why it is? Because you know that here 3 by 2 is not equals to minus 2 by 3. Therefore you can write a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. In this case you know that the given lines are intersecting, so the given pair of linear equations has exactly one solution, and therefore it is consistent. So right, therefore the given lines are intersecting. The given lines are intersecting. So the given pair of linear equations, so the given pair of linear equations has exactly one solution. And therefore it is consistent. Therefore it is consistent. Next the second one is 2x minus 3y is equals to 2x minus, second one you take 2x minus 3y is equals to 8, 4x minus 6y is equals to 9. 4x minus 6y is equals to 9. Here you write 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. This is 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. And here you write a1 is the coefficient of x, that is 2. And b1 is coefficient of y, that is 3. Minus 3 it is. And c1 is minus 8. Next you take here a2 is x, b2 is minus 6, c2 is minus 9. Now you find a1 by a2. a1 by a2, that is here a2 is equals to 4. Then a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4, that equals 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2. b1 is here, b2 is here, that is minus 3 by minus 6, that is equals to 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. Next c1 by c2. c1 by c2. c1 is minus 8 by minus 9. Here you got a1 by a2 same, but c1 by c2 is different here. Here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal here. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal, but c1 by c2 is different, that is not equals to c1 by c2. In this case the given line are parallel, so the given pair of linear equations has no solution and therefore it is inconsistent. So you write, hence the given lines are parallel. So the given pair of linear equations has, so the given pair of linear equations has no solution. Therefore it is inconsistent. Therefore it is inconsistent. Next you come to the next pair of equations, that is third pair. Third pair is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 y is equals to 7. First equation. Second equation is 9x minus 10y is equals to 14. Then you write in the standard form 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 is equals to 0, and 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equals to 0. So here a1 is 3 by 2, b1 is 5 by 3, and c1 is, that is minus 7. And here a2 is, that is 9, b2 is minus 10, c2 is minus 14. c2 is minus 14 it is. Then you write, here it is a1 by a2. You write a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 by 9, that is equals to 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are, you will get 1 by 6 it is. Next, b1 by b2. b1 is 5 by 3, b2 is minus 10. So you will get, that is 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 1 or 1 minus 1 by 10 it is. 5 ones are 5 twos are, you will get minus 1 by 6 here. Minus 1 by 6. Then c1 by c2, that is minus 7 by minus 14, you got 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So here you know that a1 by a2, 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 are not equal here. Right? 1 by 6 is not equals to minus 1 by 6. Therefore you can write a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore you can take here, hence the given lines are intersecting. So the given pair of linear equations has exactly one solution and therefore it is consistent. Hence the given lines are intersecting. So the given pair of linear equations, so the given pair of linear equations has exactly one solution. Has exactly one solution. Therefore it is consistent. Therefore it is consistent. So third one is over. Next you take the fourth one. What is that fourth one? 5x minus 3y is equals to 11. 5x minus 3y is equals to 11. Then second one, minus 10x plus 6y is equals to minus 22 it is. So you write 5x minus 3y minus 11 equals 0, that is in the standard form. Next, minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equals 0 it is. So you write here a1 is 5, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 11. And in the second equation, a2 is minus 10, b2 is 6, c2 is 22. Then you write here a1 by a2. a1 by a2, that is a1 is 5, a2 is minus 10. Then it becomes minus 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2. b1 is minus 3, b2 is 6. Then it is also 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is also minus 1 by 2. Here 5 ones are 5 twos it is, so it is minus 1 by 2. Here it is minus 3 by 6 and also it is equals to minus 1 by 2. Next you take c1 by c2. c1 by c2, c1 is minus 11 by 22, that is also minus 1 by 2. 11 ones are 11 twos it is. So you got minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Therefore what you can got here, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Therefore here you can say that the given lines are coincident here. As a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by y2 is equals to c1 by c2, the given lines are coincident. So the given pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions and therefore it is consistent. Hence, the given lines are coincident. So the given pair of linear equations, the given pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Therefore it is consistent. This way we got the fourth. Next you take the fifth one here. What is that fifth one? 4 by 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. 2x plus 3y is equals to 12 here. Now you take here, that becomes 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. This is 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Then a1 is equals to 4 by 3, b1 is equals to 2, c1 is equals to minus 8. Here a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to 3, c2 is equals to minus 2. Then you find a1 by a2. a1 is 4 by 3 by 2, that is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are, you got 2 by 3 here. Next b1 by b2. b1 is 2 by 3. b2 is 3 here, 2 by 3. Next c1 by c2. c1 is minus 8, c2 is minus 12. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. So minus 4 2s are minus 4 3s are. So you got 2 by 3. So your a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is also 2 by 3. c1 by c2 is also 2 by 3. So you can have here a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, that is equals to 2 by 3. Therefore the given lines are coincident here. Here also the given lines are coincident, as a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Therefore you write, hence the given lines are coincident. Coincident means they are having infinitely many solutions. So the given pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. As it is having solution, it is consistent. Therefore it is consistent. In this way, you got the conclusion for all.